No. What's the favour? So I can deny it.
What is he doing in our house? Is he the one responsible for my father's disappearance? What if they're in the basement? No. I'd rather not think of whose blood that was.
What text? No, I don't want that. I want that one. I've got loads of matches, but not enough oil. Sure, if I can remember that. I hate everything about this. Want lamp oil? Give me lamp oil. Oh shit. Oh, hi, hello raiders. Just seen it pop up in my Oh, I hate this. Hello, Harris. Thank you for the follow. I hate this. I hate everything. Hey, Dale. Oh, I hate everything about this. We're currently being very, very scared. If you couldn't tell already. Thank you for the raid. Oh, fuck you. Fuck this. I hate everything about this. I don't know why I'm doing this. Give me stuff. No, 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 no. Don't you dare turn the light off. Thank you for the raid. Come on, I want lamp oil. Give me lamp oil. That's all I want. Oh. So yeah, I'm very sorry that I'm not appreciating the raid as much as I should be, but I'm just very, very scared.
My head.
You can't come in here! Hear me, you snot!
What?
You're not allowed here!
I thought I was just hitting the back of the head or something, then I was so scared.
Ah! What's wrong with me?
Wait, what?
They said it wouldn't happen again. They promised, dear God. What happened? Looks like a hurricane went through here.
I hate this. I know I'm not appreciating the raid as much as I should do, but I do appreciate it. Thank you for my father's watch. I heard that he got it as a gift. My father was always obsessed with punctuality and order. I often wondered why he bothered to start a family when all it ever meant to him was mess and delays. I have no idea who ML is, but I clearly remember the day when I accidentally knocked the watch off the table. My father literally stopped dead in his tracks. I expected to get a hell of a beating, but he only gathered all the metal parts with shaking hands and walked to the bedroom, where he then spent the rest of the day trying to fix it. The watch stopped working for good, but my father never threw it away. He tried to fix it time and time again, but to no avail. Did it work? It didn't. That SO didn't look like it worked. Yes. Well, yes, anybody who's here, go follow Dale Harris.
You are not alone. Someone is playing with me.
Who is Maria? What was this about? What's the compensation for? Was it? To Jacob Haight. Your old cheesecake, a man's life ain't worth nothing to you. I ain't asked ya for no $500 or $1,000. I just wanted a small sum, but you don't want to give me no dime. After what happened to my husband, who gave his life for your sake, I ain't leaving it like that. You got my word. Yeah, someone was having problems with Streamlabs trying to give me an SO not that long ago. I think it was yesterday or the day before. Come on, lamp oil. Yes. Yes. Why is the lamp oil not going up? Fuck yeah. I hate everything. I hate. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 I don't like this. I hate everything about this. Is that someone ahead of me? That is someone ahead of me. Oh, fuck. Stay there. I'm gonna kill you. Come here.
God damn it! I feel like this house is trying to kill me.
Oh my god, does that shadow look like... Oh, it is. There's a statue there. I was like... I don't care if you're sat in the same position. Fuck's sake. Why was the fucking... I hate everything about this. I can't remember how upset Father was about the accident, but when he found out what happened to George, he really was terrified. Mining accident. An explosion in the Caroline mine, Blackstone, New Hampshire, cost lives of 3 miners. Witness claimed tremors felt up to half a mile from the mine, and the bang could be heard from inside homes even when the windows closed. The cause of the explosion and whether it could be avoided is yet to be determined. Our reporter has not been able to contact either the mine's co-owners, either of the mines. George Whitehead was available, while Jacob Hyde refused to comment on the accident. We will be provided... Oh my god. This game is terrifying, and I've only been playing it for like, what, a total of like an hour? Oh, fuck's sake, I don't want to pick it up, I want to close it. No, 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 no. I really hope there's no, like, things that chase me. Because as soon as something starts chasing me, that's it, I'm ending the stream. I'm not even going to say bye, I'm just going to end the stream. Why does the thing not go up? Do I have to fill this up or something? Just wait till you meet Lockpicking Linda. Who the fuck is Lockpicking Linda? Is that a gun? Yes, give me a gun.
Just in case. I'd rather not kill anyone. Without ammo, it won't be much help.
Oh, you'll be
Time to go to the basement and see what's behind that door.
No, I don't want to go to the basement. My father wasn't superstitious, but when it came to shove, he would clutch at straws. Could it belong to my father's associate, George Whitehead? Maybe he gave it to my father as a gift, or maybe... I don't know. Fuck's sake. Oh, shit. I don't know why the things don't refill. Is it... like I've got to wait until it burns out and then I've got to refill it? I don't know what happens with the thing when it runs out, because I've been picking up fuel, but it's just not been filling up the thing. Ah, there we go. To refill, you need to open. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. You said that someone lockpicks, and I don't know if they're a friend. They don't sound very friendly. If something starts chasing me, I just want you to know I am gonna fucking end the stream. What? Using the mouse, place the lockpick under one of the cylinders. Move up and down to raise the cylinder. When the cylinder crosses the cut line, block it quickly with less... What? To pick a lock, you need to block all the cylinders. Okay.